everybody. If you're watching this, it's probably that time of year again, so happy holidays. I'm going to make a video today about these. I made a video last year about these. These are timing devices. One's Wi-Fi, the Mercury device, and this is the old analog type. I can't believe that people still buy these. They're more expensive, and they don't do nearly as much as these. Now, this is a Wi-Fi device that you can control your holiday lights with. And I got this one for $4. What it is these Mercury devices supposedly are going to be taken out of the Walmart stores. So I got this one on sale for $4. This one still goes for $19. And you can't do anything with it except turn something on and off. This one you can pick the day of the week. You can have it come on and off as many times as you want. And you can control other devices with this. All with your phone. You can do all of this can be done with your phone, and you can also use app on your computer, laptop, or tablet. So anyway, these devices are available very inexpensively. I went over them last year. I'm going to go over it again with you this year, how to control your devices, your holiday devices, for as low as $4. Here we go. Okay, so these devices all work about the same way. When you get them and you plug them in, there's going to be a light on the switch. Generally, like this one has a blue and green light, and when you first get it, it's going to flash blue and green both. It's going to flash. That's letting you know it's ready for setup. So then you would download your app and do your setup, and then once the thing comes on, now it's a full-on, actually it's just a full-on blue right now, and when it's on, it's blue and green. But when you're doing the setup, it's going to be flashing blue and green. So right now it's on and it's off. Now this one's already been set up, so it's not doing the flash. But this is what you would do. You'll get it, plug it in. When you see the flashing, download your app and set the device up in your phone. Okay, so you're gonna go to the App Store. You're gonna download this app. It's called the Genie app. And once you get it installed, you will have to sign up like you do for everything. Create an account, and then you just turn on your device the way I showed you, and you're going to. So this is how the app will look when you install it from the App Store. And most of the time the device will automatically find itself, and it'll ask if you want to install it. But if not, you go up here to the plus sign and you tell it what kind of device it is. This is Smart Power, and it's always going to be on the 2.4 gigahertz side of your system. You're going to click Next Step. It's going to ask you how that light is flashing, and that'll determine how the setup goes from there. Now, once you get it set up, mine is listed as blow up. That's my holiday lights, and the blow up part, I want it to be separate because I want the blow up Santa Claus to come on separately from the lights. I want it to go off earlier and the lights stay on later. So I push the blow up and I go to the timer or the schedule. Mine is the schedule, and you go in and you set a schedule. Here's what it looks like when you add it. You can change it AM, PM, whatever time you want, whatever days of the week, however many times. You could have this thing, you could have your lights going on and off 10 times in a day. That's what you want it to do. And once you get that set up, you can also look at your system. You can change the name of your system. And also all this stuff is controllable by voice with Alexa or the Google Home app, Google Assistant. So that's a big plus, being able to control all of these devices just with your voice, not have to go outside. And you don't know how many times this saved me from going outside. I either just pull out the phone, turn it on, turn my lights on like that, or I just do it, through my voice. So there you go. It's that easy to set up. That's all there is to it. It's that easy to set up. Okay, that's going to do it for this episode. Check out all my other home automation episodes, and I have all those other how to do it yourself. Because remember, they may do it another way. That's the way I do it. We'll see you next time. Series of projects that are going to go on here, and